members of a cult. I'm Thea. You have asked very interesting questions that we will answer many of them in this session. Harvesting energies. Energy has two parts. One is to create a geometry. You want to design a mandala. How many parts is this mandala? What purpose is it going to be designed for? Now 8 multiplied by 7, 8 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 10. And what crystal is placed in each part of this mandala? What is the direction of movement of the crystals? And is it going to take or give energy? What is the number 14 and why is it sacred? Most of the people are afraid. They feel danger. They have an unknown, mysterious, and negative feeling towards the number 14. It is a very powerful number, and it is not a bad number at all. It is one of the Fibonacci numbers. Unfortunately, in the beyond, the number 14 has been used a lot. It has been used much more in black magic. That's why the legends that people have heard about the negative issues of the number 14. What impact have the aliens had on our lives? Organics and non-organics. Organic beings. So we are star stuff. The beings that belong to this three-dimensional world are organic. The beings that come from higher dimensions are non-organic. That is, genie. We say that its existence is made of fire, but we are dealing with a genie. Is it made of plasma? Is it made of fire with which we cook food? No, because we do not understand the existence of this genie. What this structure is made of, we call it fire. Because we do not understand what this substance is, we call it fire. Magic symbols. Place all symbols of financial attraction or different symbols in different places of your work and do this attraction. It can be any symbol. Symbols can be made like the symbol of attracting viewers. You simply make a teaser and do something. Make the viewer be attracted to the teaser. Power geometry. The most powerful financial geometry in the world is the geometry of 3,6,9, which belongs to Judaism and is called Merkaba. The main one is hexagonal, which is called Merkabah. Merkabah consists of two triangles, two three-sided. For example, circle and dot symbol. Everyone knows that the symbol of the circle and the dot is related to God. The Pentacle Star is where symbols collide with geometries. How to deal with demons and angels. What is their literature? Dealing with the evil supernatural beings is very complicated. They have their own literature. Their literature is sacrifice. Their literature is humiliation. Their literature is all illegal. Well, on the contrary, when angels are summoned, their literature is offerings, oblations, love, purity, and goodness. They are exactly the opposite. Mandala. Mandala is one of the symbols that use many of its powers in sacred geometry. You can see different architects in the world use structures, turrets. Geometries are all based on mandala. In Iran, an Iranian architect looks at a building and sees a 4x4 magic square and does not create this geometry of 8. In all mosques, tiles, in general, the history of Iranian architecture is inspired by mandala, arrangement of 399 points static grid by master students. I am always very eager to start the practical discussion quickly, and well, everything starts from where we set the grids. We arrange the crystals. The whole structure of our practical work is to put a static energy somewhere, to charge it, and let's use these energies. This is the static energy of our grids, the crystals that we set in sacred geometry and energize, and we take their energy and use it for our own chakras. Now the big question that arises before then. I want to plan a grid for you. Which grids should be set stronger? Which grids should you set weaker? What crystals do you need? And I would like to do all the coordination for you. What exactly are your short-term goals and long-term goals? to really understand what you want in these 7 chakras. For example, you say, Master, I need to achieve financial stability. For example, I want to make my house bigger. I want to improve my work. I want, for example, whatever you want. Or if you say, Master, my 5th chakra, I have not yet achieved what I should have created, what I should have left of myself. Or Master, the 3rd chakra, I want to have the fame that I want. Or the 2nd chakra, well, these are the lower chakras. Chakras 1 to 4 are earthly chakras. It is love, lust, money, enjoying material things, and life, which is in chakra 1. Likewise, chakra 2, which is a completely sexual chakra, and the chakra is perhaps some kind of appearances and beauty, physical. You are now imagining the life you want to have in the future. Now you are thinking that this is the first grid, foundation, that I am going to set for you, or send you to set. If you say that our focus is on financial issues, or fame, or the power, this means that you need the strong 3rd chakra. If you say that our focus should be on my output, that means the 5th chakra, throat, pharynx. Our focus will be on the 5th chakra, and this foundation will meet your goals.